Hello everyone, my name is Amandine Dumont and I'm about to start the Permaculture Design Course online. And the intention of this video is to explain you a little bit my motivation to do so. Not just my motivation, but with the idea to do several videos throughout the course, throughout the next month, to explain you a little bit what I learn, what I find interesting in what I learn. I don't know, to maybe motivate you as well to take the course, to feel if that's something maybe for you or not. To present myself a little, I'm not new to permaculture, but it's new that I will start really a course to receive a certificate, to receive a structured course. So what I've been doing in the past, I've been learning a lot about agroecology, gardening on living soil, a bit everything that I could find. So I did a lot of volunteering in various countries in the world, in New Zealand, in Ireland, I don't know, many places. And throughout all those volunteerings in various farms, I've been learning a lot, seeing different practices. I've also many years ago had a project of gardening on living soil on a professional level. So with a companion, we had a field and we started from zero. It was a pasture, and from the pasture we chose not to work the ground at all. So we covered with cardboard, then straw, hay, and so that I think 6 months later we could start cultivate. More than 6 months later, we could start cultivate without working the ground at all. That was a very interesting experience. At the moment, it has been 2 years now. I'm volunteering in Colombia for a foundation called Foundation Apoyar. And what we do is everything about teaching agroecology to local communities. So we are in a really rural place. And we maintain an organic veggie garden with educational objectives, and people can come to learn about agroecology. The idea is to go a bit more towards permaculture as well, and that's how I discovered the Permaculture Design Course. Because I learned that to be able to teach about permaculture, well, you need a certificate. And also that certificate will allow me in its time to teach permaculture as well, and to also deliver, to also give a certificate to people as well. So I'm very grateful to permaculture education to really give me that opportunity to be able to do that. I think it will be very interesting to follow a structured course, because I've been always learning about permaculture, sustainable agriculture online, in books, with some experts here and there, but really I miss a structured course to really know what permaculture is about, all the different subjects it takes into account. I really believe that permaculture holds so many solutions to so many problems that we're facing as a society today, because it really teaches us to live in harmony with ourselves, with others, with animals, and with the earth. So I'm really looking forward to discover this course, and I hope at some point maybe you will join it as well. I will let you know in the next months how everything is going, and I wish you a very good day. Ciao, ciao.